So you guys ready to do something new in the gym that you haven't done before? And it is the deadlift, and I will be going over how to do the workout, how to do the exercise, and what not to do, and how to do it properly so you guys don't hurt yourself. So how about we get into it? And so as a beginner, you got to learn with just the bar, because you're probably not strong enough to be able to use the bars with weight on it. So you just use the bar, and if you can't use 45, then some gyms might have one that is less, or that might work better, and you can work your way up to 45 pounds and then add weight after that as you guys get stronger. So I'm going to use this 45 to show you guys how to do this. And so I move this forward. So you want your feet close together, and you can either hold the bar this way or hold it under with one hand on either side and one over. So you squat down like you normally squat, grab the bar, squat down like normal, all the way, grab the bar, and just stand up perfectly straight. You don't want to lean forward with the bar. You want to come up straight with your back straight, like so, and then go back down. And make sure when you come up or down, you stay as close as you can to your knees and your legs. It will help you control, and then go down nice and easy, and then come back up. And as you guys get stronger, the weight will get more. And so what you not want to do is be on the front of your feet or end up on the back of your feet like this. You want to be perfectly straight and a little bit close in together. And then you grab it, and some bars will have a little crease down below. And so you should always put your pinky against that little line. And then if you're going to go under, use your finger for the other side and do that. And then just go up and down and up and down. And just make sure you guys don't go forward. Make sure you keep your back straight and your stomach tucked in when you're doing it, and make sure that when you're pulling from the ground, you always hold your breath, and then when you put it back down, release your breath. And never go too fast. Always go slow when you're going down, so you don't hurt yourself. And then, as a beginner, I would always start out small. So maybe you start at 5 pounds, 10 pounds. But I wouldn't go anything heavier until you guys get it good and correct. And so that's how you do the deadlift. And if you guys want to learn more about a different exercise or more about techniques, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.